Hello everyone! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! We have got another Aliexpress unboxing. We are gonna have some useful camera stuff. And so look at this protective glass for camera. In the kit comes two PCS. Also in the kit wipes for wiping. The glass I took for Pocket 4K. These are KF adapters Olympus to Canon EF. The difference from the cheaper adapter is the pressure spring. In KF it's very good, while in Chinese cheap adapters it's very bad. Here you can see the difference between the Chinese bed and KF1. This is just great. And the cap here looks in place very well. This is Convoy S21E flashlight with Type-C charger. Here is a warm LED set at 3000 Kelvin and CRI above 19. They are bought for a lens test to do flares. HDMI cable small rig. It's only 20 cm. Another package. This is a 12-volt vape cable to power the camera from the NPF pad. Make sure you plug into 12 volts. No 7 at 4. This is a small rig holder for power bank. Take a power bank with 65 watts or more, then you can screw it on like this. You can mount it anywhere you want. Thanks for watching, subscribe and stay up to date.